Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dorian and today we'll be talking about the benefits of pre-pooing and why you should implement it to your regimen. Pre-pooing is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process. It is basically pre-shampooing, but for short it's pre-pooing. Pre-pooing provides your hair with a protective layer because oftentimes shampooing strips of moisture from your hair, leaving it super dry. And you don't want your hair to be dry, right? Like that's super dry. Anyways, so talk to me. Why haven't you hit the like and subscribe button yet if you haven't? I'm listening, tell me.
Remember, there is causes. Causes are flying up and down. Don't attract one.
You can pre-poo your hair with either oils or conditioners or like masks. I actually use oils because they are great sealants of moisture. Yeah, but you could actually use your DIY masks, which I'll be making videos on later. But what I actually do is I pre-poo my hair a day before my actual wash day, and on my wash day I actually apply my mask to my hair before shampooing. I don't know, but it's kind of comfortable for me, and it's kind of like convenient for me to do that instead of like applying my mask after shampooing as a deep conditioner. But I do my deep conditioner before my shampoo. It's weird, right? Anyways, it actually depends on the one you want, whatever is convenient for you, actually, whatever is convenient for you, boss. So yeah, let's talk about the benefit. It restores lost moisture and makes the hair vibrant. It preserves natural oils found on the scalp and hair. Most shampoos strip off these natural oils, as I said before, leaving the hair follicles exposed. It allows for smooth detangling of the hair. Like, it actually makes your detangling session much more faster. It also softens the hair. Yeah, it actually does. Like, my hair becomes, I don't know, strangely soft when I pre-poo, like after I pre-poo. So yeah, enough of the talking, right? Let's see how to make. My pre-poo treatment is basically a mixture of 3 oils, some honey and some lemon. Yes, so flaxseed oil, olive oil, and of course coconut oil, and you have some lemon. And so yeah, you could actually, it depends on you. Actually, it depends on you. This is what I like to use. This I like to add. You could actually use just one oil, or you could use as many oils as possible, but the main thing is to eat it. We'll come to that later. So let's just mix it, right? My own mixture in my old coconut oil bottle. So I have an applicator bottle, which is actually the best and the most convenient. I just use an old bottle, but you could go ahead and use any bottle. It depends on how convenient you want it to be for you. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this. So in no particular order, I'm just gonna add the oils, and yeah, I make the one I can like the one I can use that particular time, like the one I can exhaust that particular time. I don't like to like store it or do and store down. It's actually better for you to, you know, make the amount you're gonna finish, and you're gonna finish. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a bit of my flaxseed oil. That's okay. Is that okay? No, it's not okay. Yeah, that should be okay. My olive oil. Yeah. And my coconut is okay. Yeah, that should do. Then my honey, just a little bit of honey. Honey is like really underrated for hair, for skin. Like, it's really good. So I'm just gonna add a little, one more spoon, and then my onion is almost empty. I'm gonna finish using this will do. And lastly, some lemon. It's actually like squeezed lemon, so if you're buying this, just some more. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it. Ooh, so yeah, as usual, I'm just gonna heat it up. Remember not to apply it to direct heat or flame. You can put it in a boiling water, as I said, or run hot water through it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. So while I'm waiting for that to get heated, I'm just gonna part my hair into 4 unequal sections for easier penetration. My oil is ready. I'm just going to apply it section by section. Just something to make a close-up video to see how I actually applied it to my hair. It's actually simple. And finally we are done. So yeah, guys, it took me like 55 minutes. Yeah, and this was just the amount of it that broke. Yeah, it's pretty small. I know, right? Yeah, it's gonna save me so much time and energy when I'm washing my hair, because it's going to be way easier. Anyways, yeah, there you have it, guys. I would, you know the drill, right? I would love to hear your experiences in the comment section below. And please, if you learned something from here or you're willing to try it, please just, tell me in the comment section below. Let's interact, let's talk. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like and share. Thank you so much.